Hi everyone, welcome back to this journey of self-care. Listen to this daily and acknowledge that you're taking steps to care for yourself. This meditation will result in deep relaxation, but try to stay awake. Try to be present with the process. Try not to do this when you're very tired. And please do not do this exercise while driving. It is best to do this at a time and in a place where you will not be interrupted by anyone or by the telephone. Make sure you're comfortable. Make sure your environment is comfortable and that you're wearing loose and comfortable clothing. Take this time as a gift you're giving to yourself. It would be good to schedule this time daily as a gift to yourself, to be fully with yourself, by yourself. Make it a nurturing time. Know that you have internal resources that are available to you, and by taking this time to nourish yourself, you're cultivating those internal healing resources. Remember, there is no striving. There's nothing to attain. As you go through this process, don't try to relax. Let whatever comes. For the first part of this session, we're just noticing what is, noticing and accepting what is already there, just recognizing, being aware of what is already here. It's already here in our experience. We're just allowing it to be. Through this exercise, we're learning to let go of the need to have things be different and to notice what is. Because it's only through truly accepting things as they are that we can begin to effect change, if indeed change is necessary. If there are occasional background noises or distractions, accept them as what they are in this moment. And let go of trying to change the reality of the moment by insisting that things be different. Allow yourself to be exactly as you are, without judgment or without labeling. Stay with my voice as best as you can, while noticing your body and the activities of your mind. Try not to be critical or judgmental of yourself. Accept now that you are doing the best that you can. Your mind will wander. That's okay. Whenever you notice it wandering, just bring it back to my voice and continue to be aware of how you feel, giving yourself permission to feel whatever you feel. Be gentle with yourself. Do this meditation in whatever position feels comfortable for you, but preferably lying down on a bed. If you choose to use the floor, position pillows to prevent any strain on your back or neck. It's important not to cause any discomfort or pain. Make sure you're comfortable, whether you choose to lie down or to sit in a chair. So now let's arrange ourselves comfortably on our backs if possible, settling into a comfortable position and allowing your eyes to close gently if this is comfortable for you. Letting the arms lie alongside your body, your palms facing upwards to the ceiling if that is comfortable for you, and allowing the feet to gently fall away from each other. And slowly bringing your attention to the fact that you are breathing, not manipulating your breath in any way, but simply just noticing your breath, being aware of the air moving in and out of your body. Find your breath, finding where you most notice the breath. It could be the sensation of the air coming into and or leaving the nostrils, or it could be the stomach area. Let's bring our attention to our stomach, rising and falling, Noticing the sensations in that region as the breath comes into your body and your belly expands gently, and as the breath moves out of your body and your belly deflates. Stay here for a moment and just continue following with your mind's eye the rhythmic movements of your stomach with each breath. Not increasing or decreasing your breath in any way. Just noticing the rising and falling of your stomach, the rising on the in-breath and the stomach deflating on the out-breath. Notice your entire body breathing, giving full attention to this moment. Continue to just observe the rhythmic motion of your body as a whole. Just noticing this for a few more moments, the ebb and flow of the body. Gently noticing where the body makes contact with the bed or chair or floor. And just staying with your body, observing your entire body, breathing, being present. Observing the ebb and flow of the mid-region of your body. And when you're ready, let's shift our attention to your toes. Toes of the left foot. Gently moving your attention away from your belly and down the left leg all the way to the foot and out to your toes on your left foot. And just becoming aware of whatever the feelings are in this region of your body. Noticing all and every sensations, any pulsing, coolness, warmth. It doesn't matter what the sensations are, just notice, just being aware. If your toes could talk to you, what would they be saying to you? What are they trying to tell you? Without engaging in a conversation with your toes or arguing, just listening attentively to what your toes are telling you. Notice, experiencing what is there. Continue breathing, not moving your toes, but just focusing all your senses to bring full attention to whatever is there. And as you breathe, notice the breath moving from your nostrils through your chest, through your stomach, and just imagine it moving down your legs and into your toes. And as you exhale, imagine the breath moving back up through the body to exhale through the nostrils. And when you're ready, knowing that whatever information you gathered has been recorded, so there's no need to try to remember what your toes were telling you. No need to hold on. So when you're ready, on an out breath, letting go of your toes completely, allowing this region of your body to just dissolve in your mind's eye. And now move your attention and bring it to focus on the bottom of your left foot. Whatever feelings there are in this particular region, noticing, just breathing with it, feeling the bottom of your foot. And when you're ready, breathing down the leg to the bottom of your foot, and on the out breath, breathing out from the bottom of your left foot and just letting it go, and moving your attention now to focus on the heel of the same left foot. Notice the place where your heel is making contact with the bed or the floor, feeling the senses of touch and pressure. Bringing all your awareness to the left heel. Notice any sensations. Notice what's happening with the bones, under the skin, at the surface of the skin. And when you're ready, sending the breath down to the heel, and as you exhale, letting go of your left heel, and now becoming aware of the top of your left foot. And be aware and be present with whatever feelings there are from this particular region. Not thinking about your foot, but just experiencing what is already there. Bringing all your senses to this area and allowing yourself to be with your left foot as it is in this moment. Breathing into your foot and letting that awareness spread to the ankle as well. And feeling your left ankle and breathing with it. And when you're ready, breathing, directing your breath in, down to the ankle, and on the out breath, just letting go of the ankle and the entirety of your left foot. As you relax into a deeper state of silence and awareness, there's nothing else to do right now, nowhere else to be, but just being aware of now. And continue to be aware, moving your focus and your attention to your lower left leg, the shin in the front and the calf muscle in the back, and any sensations, feelings in your lower left leg. Not just on the surface, but deep down as well, into the muscles and right down into the bones of the lower left leg. Experiences this region as it is, not trying to make it any different than what it is, just accepting the feelings that are there, breathing with them. And when you're ready, just letting go of this part of your body as well, as you relax and sink even deeper into the bed, into the floor, or into your chair, as you let go and move your focus now up to your knee, feeling your left knee, the kneecap, the sides and back of the knee, and deep into the joint, and just experiencing your left knee. Noticing all the sensations here. What are they saying? What are you feeling here? Breathing with it. And on and out breath, just letting your knee leave your awareness and move your attention now into the region of the left thigh, above the knee, the outside and deep inside, all the way through to the bones of the left thigh, all the way up to the groin and the hip, and just experiencing your left thigh as it touches the bed or mat on which you're lying, just letting it be as soft and relaxed as possible. If there's any tension in the thigh or anywhere else when you come to it, just gently relax that area as you breathe out, allowing the thigh to be soft and relaxed. Breathing into and out of your left thigh. And when you're ready, taking a deeper breath in, down into the thigh, and as you breathe out, just letting it relax and dissolve in your mind, letting go of your left thigh and gently moving your attention over to the right leg, and becoming aware of the feelings in the toes of the right foot. And if you can, without moving your toes, just feeling the sensations of your big toe and your little toe and all the other toes, the space between the toes. Breathe in, directing the in-breaths down into the foot and straight to the toes. And on the out-breath, just letting the breath come up from the toes and right up out through your nostrils, acknowledging all the sensations that are in this region, not judging or worrying about what you encounter, but just allowing them to be exactly as you're experiencing them now. And when you're ready, taking a deeper breath in, down into the toes, and on the out breath, just letting your toes dissolve in the field of your awareness, and letting the attention shift onto the bottom of the right foot. And this time, including the heel and the place where the foot makes contact with the bed or the floor, just tuning into it all, noticing any and all sensations, breathing with them. And when you're ready, just on an out breath, just letting go of the bottom of your foot as you relax, as you let go of the bottom of your right foot, and gently move your awareness up to the top of the foot and to the ankle. Breathing in and breathing out, experiencing this region of your body, noticing all the sensations here in your right foot, including your ankle. And when you're ready, just letting it go, allowing it to relax and soften and dissolving in your mind's eyes. And now becoming aware of the lower leg, from the calf around to the shin, feeling again every sensation, the air touching the skin of your shin of your right foot, feeling the sensations into the bone, into the calf muscles, appreciating your leg for carrying you around perhaps. And when you're ready, breathing into it, and on an out breath, letting go of your lower leg and shifting your awareness now to your right knee, the sides of the knee, the ball of the knee, noticing whatever is present here, and breathing down into the knee, and on the out breath, letting go of the knee as well. And now bring in your attention up to your right thigh, the entire upper region or between your hip and your knee, also your pelvis and groin, feeling your right thigh, any sensations. Notice as it rests on the bed or mat, and noticing all you feel or experience in this area, whether it be warmth or tingling, discomfort, heaviness, coolness. Notice the blood throbbing or flowing, whatever you experience, and accepting your thigh exactly as it is. Breathing into the right thigh up to the groin. And when you're ready, on an out breath, as you breathe out, just letting go of this region too, and becoming aware now of the pelvis, the entire region of your pelvis, from one hip to the other, being aware of your butt, your buttocks in contact with the bed or the floor, and the sensations of contact. the weight you feel, any heaviness perhaps, feeling relaxed, melted into the surface that you're lying or seated on, whatever you're feeling. Just becoming aware of that entire region of the body, your genitals, whatever sensations or lack of sensations you're experiencing there. Becoming aware of the hips, breathing into the whole pelvic region, and when you're ready, directing the breath down into your pelvis, and as you breathe out, just letting the pelvis soften and release any tension. Feeling content and grateful just to be in this moment, noticing any sounds that might arise in the background, feeling the air as it touches your body, noticing the inner sensations in the region of your hips, groin, noticing where any clothing might be touching your body, just being completely present with this region. What is it telling you? What is it trying to say? And when you're ready, on an out breath, shift your awareness now to your lower back, to the region that connects your pelvis with your back, and just experiencing whatever sensations are here. This is a region that for many of us may be problematic. There may be intense sensations there, but just for now, just experience them. Experiencing your lower back, accepting what is, and letting the breath penetrate and really move into every region of your lower back without moving, just sending your attention and sending your breath here. And letting any tension or tightness, any holding on, any intensity just be there, and gently allow it to flow out with an out breath to the extent that it will. And as you breathe out, gently acknowledging all that is present in this area, and exhaling, allowing this area to dissolve from your mind, and move your attention up to the region of your upper back. Just feeling the sensations in this region, breathing with them, and you may even feel your rib cage around from your back as it protects your lung in the front. Notice the expansion on each breath. Be aware of your ribs all the way around to your spine, and any tension or tightness, any reservoir of fatigue or discomfort in the upper back region or central back region, just letting them dissolve without moving the muscle. Just bringing your attention to this area and experiencing what is, allowing this area to relax with your intention. Gently sending breath to this area, and when you're ready with the out breath, let go of this area too and sink even deeper into stillness and relaxation. Gently allowing your attention to shift now to your stomach again, and experience the rising and falling of your stomach as you breathe. And just allowing your awareness to expand from the belly in the front of your body to the chest as well. Feeling the movements of the entire region, the muscles on the chest wall, your breasts, the diaphragm, entirety of the front of your body. Notice your chest expanding, being aware of your heart and lungs. Observe the sensations, possibly feeling the beating of your heart, and taking a few moments to just be aware of what is happening in this area. any throbbing, any rhythm, possibly sensing blood flow to and from the heart to nourish every cell in every region of the body. And spend some time here, if you can. Tune in to the rhythmic beating of your heart. Can you feel your heart beating? Your heart is nourishing every organ and every tissue of your body with oxygenated blood with each pump. And as the blood returns to the heart from other parts of your body, releasing toxins and waste products and purifying the body in a rhythmic cycle, working in tandem with the lungs, transporting energy and nutrient to every cell, every tissue, cleansing and renewing. Spend some time and just experiencing this whole region of your body, your chest and lungs, your stomach, and continue breathing into this area, just noticing, being present with what is. And when you're ready, on an out breath, just letting this region dissolve from your mind's eye and allowing your attention to move to your fingertips. Fingertips of both hands, just becoming aware of the sensations now in the tips of your fingers and thumbs. You may feel some vibration from the blood flow, noticing how the air feels against the skin of your fingers. Just feeling your fingers, the space between your fingers, the sides of your fingers, the back of your fingers. And letting your field of awareness expand into the palms of your hand and the back of your hands, your wrists, and possibly noticing the pulsing in your wrists as the blood flows to and from your hands. Expanding your awareness to include as well the forearms and now the elbows, noticing any sensation regardless of discomfort or problems with this region or any region, just experiencing your arms as they are and allowing your field of awareness to include the upper arms as well, right up to the armpits, noticing any sensation in that area of your body, and continue to gently expand your awareness to now include your shoulders. Notice what's happening in your shoulders. Many of us hold on to tension in the shoulder area. Notice if there any tightness or tenseness here, and just being with your body where you are, no judging, and without moving your shoulders, just notice where tension might exist, if any area is tighter than the other, and just breathe an intention to relax this area. On the in-breath, breathing into your shoulders and relaxing this area, noticing the entire arms up to the shoulder, and on the out-breath, just letting that tension dissolve as you breathe out. Letting go of the tension and letting go of your arms all the way from your fingertips right up through your shoulders. And as you sink even deeper into a state of relaxed awareness, just being present, letting go of whatever thoughts come up or whatever impulse to move or shift or do something else, and just experiencing yourself in this moment. Staying with my voice, and now letting your attention move into your neck, to the back of the neck, the spine region, to the throat, feeling the entire neck region experiencing your neck and throat, possibly with gratitude as your neck carries the weight of your head around. Noticing when you breathe as the air goes from the head to the chest through the neck region. Breathing in, down into the neck intentionally, noticing the outer areas as well. And on the out breath, just letting go of the neck, letting it relax and dissolve in your mind's eye. And becoming aware now of your face, another region that we sometimes store tension. Focus first on your jaw, your chin, experiencing it as it is, any sensation right up in the hinge region of the jaws, where the jaws connect to the ears, breathing with this region. And on the out breath, when you're ready, just letting it dissolve. Becoming aware of your lips, your mouth, teeth, gums, your tongue, without moving your tongue, just noticing it where it lies in the mouth. Notice the roof of your mouth, back of your mouth, your throat, and just being with this area, breathing into this region. And on an out breath, just letting go of this region, letting it dissolve, becoming aware of your nose. Now feeling the breath as it moves in and out the nostrils, maybe warm, moist air breathing out, cooler air breathing in. Just being aware of yourself as you're breathing in and out. Now gently shift your awareness to your eyes, eyebrows, space between the eyebrows, the entire region around your face, around your eyes, and the eyelids. And if there's any tension here, just sending a breath and allowing that area to relax, allowing your temples to relax and dissolve as you experience a sensation on the side of your head. Breathing in to your ears, and now your forehead. Breathing into your forehead and letting it soften. Being aware if there are any emotions of tense or worry. And just gently asking this area to relax. And now just coming up on the entirety of your face, including your forehead. Breathing with your entire face. And just letting the entire face relax and dissolve into your mind's eye. Sometimes the face is busy with thought, projecting one idea or another opinion, but just for now, letting go of all the opinions and all the need to be right or wrong, or who is just allowing things to be as they are. No opinion. Just noticing, relaxing, being at peace with what is. And now becoming aware of the back of the head and the top of the head, the entire region of the upper region of the head and skull. And breathing in now to this whole region. And focusing on a spot now at the very top of your head, about the size of a quarter. And just letting the breath move from your nose right up to this spot in your mind's eye, at the top of your head, the very crown of your head. And breathing out from this region, right down through your nose again. And just imagining that a spot here is open, like a cone that's connected to the rest of the universe. breathing in and out right through the top of your head and letting the air and the energy right out of your head. Continue breathing in through the nose and out through this cone at the top of the head. And now notice your entire body breathing. Notice the rise and fall of your stomach. And just imagine that you're breathing with your entire body. Taking a breath in, imagine it coming in through your feet. And exhale through this hole to the cone at the top of your head. Another breath in through your feet. And exhaling through the cone at the top of your head. Continue breathing with your entire body, taking a few more breaths in through your toes, through your entire body, and exhaling through the top of your head. Continue breathing with the entire body. Continue breathing, not manipulating your breath in any way, just recognizing when you're breathing in and when you're breathing out. You're breathing with the entire body, finding the in-breath, imagining it coming through the toes and exhaling through the cone at the top of your head. Now shift the direction of the breath. And imagine inhaling through the cone and exhaling through your feet. Breathing in and exhaling through your feet. Taking in oxygen from the universe through the top of your head and exhaling through your feet. Just continue observing and allowing your breath to move in this way through the entire length of your body. All of your muscles are in a deep state of relaxation, and the mind simply aware of this flow of energy from the top of your head, through your body, out through your feet, and again coming in through the top of your head and exhaling through your feet. Lying here in a state of stillness and deep relaxation, and sinking even deeper and deeper into a state of well-being. As we come in touch with feeling complete, feeling whole as we are, we're in touch with our fundamental completeness, in this place where our limitations are boundless. Knowing you are more than your body and you're connected to the universe, connected to universal intelligence. Continue breathing, being aware of the entire body. And as you continue to breathe, shift your awareness to the space above your body, a couple feet above the cone in your head if you're seated, or a couple feet above your navel if you're lying down. Just bring your awareness to that area above your body. And imagine that there is a cloud just floating directly above you. Keeping your awareness on this cloud, notice the shape and size of this cloud. And now imagine yourself sitting on this cloud, just floating, relaxed, looking down at your body, breathing. Continue to just observe the rhythmic moving of your body, breathing in and out, in and your stomach falling as you breathe out. Be aware of yourself hovering on your cloud. Just continue to observe the movement of your body. And stay here as long as you like, just observing your body, breathing in and out, still, quiet, at peace. And now, imagine that a beam of light has engulfed you from your vantage point above your body. Feel the gentle warmth of the light. Savor the feeling, the warmth and comfort. Feeling completely relaxed and at peace. Allow this light to completely engulf you, so that now you and the light are now one. Feel the surge of energy as you become a ball of light. You can expand or contract yourself. Allow the cloud to dissolve from your awareness. And go ahead and make yourself expand into a big ball of light, breathing in. And now contracting yourself, making yourself a small ball of light as you exhale. Continue expanding and contracting yourself, making yourself as big a light ball as you want, and then exhaling and making yourself as small as you like. Take a few more breaths, expanding and contracting yourself, making your light whatever color you like. And when you're ready, notice your body below, lying on the bed or the floor, rising and falling from the rhythmic breathing. And gently make yourself into a small ball of light, small enough to enter through the cone and through that small hole at the top of your head. You are a healing light, enriched with energy and healing from the universe. And now you're in a small ball, or if you choose a small beam, whatever feels comfortable. And you're entering from the hole at the top of your head. As you gently enter your body, you are aware of all the sensations you have experienced earlier. You know where the problem areas are. So now, traveling through your body, you're able to enter every cell as a small ball of light or the small beam of light. You can see every cell, tissue, every nerve ending. Gently traveling through your body, starting at the top of your head, scanning your brain, your face, your head, and just remembering from your body scan where needs attention. You know where you have been experiencing pain. Pausing now in your neck and shoulders, just beaming some extra light to this area. Let the intelligence of your body do what's necessary. This is an area that we tend to store stress. Stress leads to tension and pain, blocked energy. And so we're allowing ourselves to be aware also that pain is useful. Pain prevents us from injury and further suffering. And so embracing any pain without resistance, being grateful that the pain is here as a messenger to protect us, blessing your pain and allowing it to be. But gently and respectfully directing your energy light to this area and any area of pain. Getting in touch with even the nerves and closing any gateway, blocking the pain signal from being transmitted to the brain, easing your discomfort. So staying with this area until you feel you have operated on every cell, every cartilage, whatever is needed. Knowing that you are connected to the source of all healing and that you have access to internal and external resources which you can access at any time to manage any discomfort or pain. So gently using this light force that you are giving attention to any area here that's needed, that is in need of attention. And when you're ready, continue to gently and respectfully move to the next area of your body. You noticed where the discomfort are while you were doing your body scan. You're inside your body now and you're seeing the cells, noticing all that is in need of attention, and utilizing your light source, this beam of light or ball of light. You're able to heal and nurture each cell, each nerve, to reduce or completely eliminate your pain. Being gentle with yourself, allowing what is to be, allowing what action is necessary to come to you, sending as much warmth or coolness to this area, not expecting or demanding any result, but gently allowing the necessary action to come to your awareness, not forcing your will, but pausing and allowing the information to come to you. The body is intelligent and built to self-heal. By shining your laser light or glowing your ball of light on each area, you're gently bringing awareness to the area of discomfort and knowing that the resources necessary will come to this area as needed. Take your time, gently setting the intention that as blood flows to this area each moment, with each breath, it will do what's necessary to heal and eliminate discomfort. Gently allowing the intelligence of the heart to prevail. By doing this exercise daily, you're opening up awareness, allowing the body to do what it does. Continue to expand your light to this area. Take as long as you need. And when you're ready, continue to travel to the next area of discomfort that you noticed while doing your body scan. Take as long as you need at each area. Beam your nurturing light. Lower the intensity of your light when necessary. Sometimes you might need to change the color of your light, making it cooler or warmer. Tune into what is needed here. Tune into your body. Listen to your body. Continue gently moving through every inch of your body, remembering where you experience discomfort in your body scan, and spending as much time as you need with your healing light at each area, blessing and healing each area, being gentle with yourself, not demanding, not expecting anything, but just being aware and sending an intention of comfort and healing to that area. Be confident, knowing that you have the ability to heal your body. We were made with these resources to self-heal. You know where the areas of discomfort are. You know what attention is needed at each point. As we practice being still and listening to our body, we send healing energies to our body. Some cells may just need gentle recognition. Some nerves may need to be blocked so that the pain signal doesn't enter the brain. Some may just need beams of love and light. Let the energy and information flow to you, and use your light as necessary in each area. Spend as much time as you need penetrating healing light from yourself to each area, lovingly, and being grateful for this body which has served you for all this time. Continuing to be mindful of the rhythmic breathing of your body. Focus in beams of healing light at each area needing attention. Continuing to move through the body, blocking nerve endings where needed, sensing energetically what is needed for each area, clearing blockages possibly where necessary, taking as much time as you need for each region of the body, knowing when it's time to move to the next area. Taking your time, giving yourself this time, and as you travel through your body as this beam of light, as this ball of light, nourishing each region, organ, tissue, cell, nerve, re-energizing your healing light as necessary with each breath. Continue traveling. Notice how your light gets brighter with each in-breath. Continue to travel to every corner of the body, every inch of the body, taking your time. And when you're done, scan your body, entire body, from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. And if there's any area that is in need of any further attention, allow your light, allow yourself to go to that area and just give it some extra attention, relieving all tension and completely relaxing your body. And when you feel ready, that you've nurtured every area needing attention, gently move to the sole of your feet, exiting your body through your feet, being thankful to be able to travel every inch of your body and giving it some loving, healing light, some loving attention and awareness. So gently exiting your body. You've exited your body, feeling grateful, feeling refreshed, gently hovering above yourself, continuing to observe the rhythmic breathing of your entire body. Now gently as you breathe in, expanding your light source to the length and width of your body. A few more breaths, expanding to the entire length and width of your body. And when you're ready, re-merge. Go ahead and merge back with your body, feeling refreshed, invigorated, and relaxed. Feeling so relaxed. Lie here for a moment, merge with yourself. Feel the light penetrate the entire body, expanding throughout the body up to the surface of the skin. And feel this light force merging with the universe. Notice now the air in the room, the air as it touches your skin. Notice any scents. Gently open your eyes if you choose, taking in all the sights without labeling, just experiencing your environment. with your sense of sight. Also feeling your environment, smelling. Notice your tongue, being fully present using all your senses. Continue breathing with your entire body, recognizing that you are a part of the universe. You are nourished moment by moment with the oxygen of this universe. You're merged with this universe. You are connected to the universe. You are a part of the universe. Continue to experience your entire body breathing. Imagine again your breath is coming in through your feet, out through the head, merging with the universe, cleansing and re-entering in through the feet and exhaling through the head. Continue with a few more breaths, being completely aware of when you're inhaling and when you're exhaling, not manipulating your breath in any way, just finding the breath and feeling your body as a whole from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. Continue breathing. Lying here in a state of stillness and deep relaxation, and sinking deeper and deeper into a state of well-being as we come in touch with our feelings, with our environment, feeling complete, feeling whole as we are, in touch with this place where our limitations are boundless. Let's open to things just as they are in each moment, in this moment. And recognizing that this attitude of acceptance, not imposing our will, but just observing and taking wise action when needed, this stillness itself is healing. Allowing and acknowledging the world to be as it is, beyond our personal fears and concerns, and beyond the tendencies to want to control, want things to be a certain way, and allowing ourselves to see ourselves as complete right now as we are, deeply experiencing the fullness of this life and the abundance of life, and experiencing the fullness of our ability to love and to care for ourselves and others. Just taking some time, continue breathing with your entire body, finding that in-breath and knowing when you're breathing out. Stay here for a while, as long as you like, coming back to the in-breath and recognizing the out-breath. And when you're ready, you may want to bring some activity back to your muscles. Start by wiggling your toes if you like, stretching or shifting wherever you feel needs to be shifted. Allowing yourself to be thankful and celebrating yourself for taking this time and energy to care and nurture yourself in this way. Continuing to feel your body and be aware of your surroundings. Not judging, just being aware. And knowing that you can take this level of awareness with you in your daily activities by just pausing to find your breath. Knowing that you can direct all the resources, internal intelligent energy, to places of discomfort, and trusting that this energy will do what's best. Continue in your daily lives to practice just knowing when you're inhaling and when you're exhaling. And by doing this, you're making a decision to live a more conscious life. Set aside some time to do this daily or a few times a week, whatever you feel moved to, whatever is comfortable for you. As you make time to give attention, loving, accepting, allowing attention to pain areas of your body, you may find that your pain may be replaced. May be replaced with a welcome awakening of your soul. Continue to be gentle with yourselves. Until we meet again, so long, fellow earth travelers.